Hi guys, this is Khushbu Shah from Financial Fitness, and I hope that you all are taking really good care and necessary precautions. Today we see that there is a lot of fear around us. Many people are getting affected due to COVID and situation is getting worse day by day. In this situation, it is important to evaluate our financial health along with our physical health. It is important to increase our financial immunity along with our body immunity to fight against this adverse situation. So, one should prepare a professional financial plan to take care of their families if similar situation arises in future. In developed places like US and Canada, it is proven that a person with a proper financial plan grows two times faster than the person without proper financial plan. So here we are launching a program named Be Your Own Financial Planner. Yes, you hear it right, that is Be Your Own Financial Planner. This program will empower individuals to make their personal financial plan in a professional way. This program will be conducted by Mr. Vijay Mistry, who is an expert financial consultant and he's also a member of International Association of Registered Financial Consultant. He is also a life coach and guides HNI for their wealth planning. Last but not the least, he is a member of $1 Million Round Table, which is an elite association where less than 1% of the finance industrial professional gets qualified to become a member. So let's hear something more about this program from him.
Hi friends, so I'm Vijay Mistry and today I'll tell you a little bit more about our program called Be Your Own Financial Planner. So this is a program which we thought of launching at this juncture of life whereby people's life has second. The way people are thinking have changed and people are more serious about their finances and it is required to be because we don't know what will happen tomorrow. The life looks more uncertain now rather than more certainties, and this is what people are experiencing in their life. So we thought of doing this program, Be Your Own Financial Planner, whereby our endeavor is to do the maximum value addition in your life right now. We have seen that many people are confused right now that what to do in case of their finances, how to take care of their future goals, what will happen if the same thing continues in future. So these are what the questions and people, and there is a lot of uncertainty around. Also people are also confused that how they will be able to take care of their family expenses if this situation continues. So during this situation we thought this is the best way how we can do value addition in one's life. In this program we'll be covering up very basics of your life. So first of all, where you stand right now, so we'll help you with making your own net worth statement. Second is where are your investments, what is your portfolio, and what is the average return you are generating. Third thing is like what is the contingency planning you've done in your financial planning or in your finances so far. If you're not done, then how to pull out contingency right now from the avenues available. If you got loans, then how to plan your AMIs or how to reduce your AMI portion. That is what we'll plan in this planning session. So you'll get a lot of insight about your basics of your financial planning. It just reminds you about one of our case study. 18 years back, I met one of the chartered accountant, and he was keen to make his own financial plan through me. And when I met, he was working in one multinational as a senior accountant, and he was earning around 40 lakh rupees at that point of time. When I met, he told me that Vijay, I'm making enough money, but somehow I'm not able to save it. I don't know whether I can save enough or what are the provisions available because I'm paying a lot of taxes, a lot of EMI go here and there. So I thought, I told him, sir, let's do one exercise that is cash flow analysis. And we went to that exercise, and post that exercise, he could realize that he can save 15 lakh rupees easily per annum. And then we started with that, and today he's on the verge of retirement, and I can see that he can achieve all of his goals so far, and he'll be also successfully get retirement benefits from the planning what he did. So that is what a planning will help you. So this is what we'll cover up, which is very basics about your financial planning. And the most exciting part of this program is that you'll be doing all this thing on your own. So we'll be giving you all the templates, all the formulas, and all the basics of financial planning. There will be online sessions whereby I'll be giving you knowledge about how to make plan and what to consider, what not to consider. I'll be sharing with you enough case studies. I'll be sharing with you my experience so far, that what mistakes you should avoid and what you should do in your situation. And also there will be a lot of question answer sessions whereby we'll be clarifying any of your doubt. But the most important part is that we'll be making your own plan on your own. That's what the most exciting, and that's what when I spoke about this program with some of my existing clients, they were really excited. Yeah, it's really good that you are empowering us to do this plan, and we can do it on our own. So this is the best time to do all these things, as you might be having time right now. And this program will be not very long duration. It will be covered up within 1 to 1.5 months. There will be weekly sessions, and you will come to know more about this program in further part of this video. Till the time you join this program, stay safe and take care of your wealth and health too. Good luck to you. Thank you.
This program is of 6 weeks and have 8 online sessions. We would be providing you with templates to make your financial plan. If you are reluctant for sharing your financial details, then this is the best program for you, as you do not have to share any of your financial details. We will be giving you instructions and provide you templates which will guide you on how to make your financial plan. Also, we would be sharing some stories and case studies, common potholes which you need to avoid while making a financial plan. Coach also would be sharing his experience and other examples which will add insight to your financial plan. Also, this will help you to take your future financial decisions. This one time exercise will empower you for your lifetime financial planning. In future, if you had to redo your financial planning, you can revisit to this basic procedure. There is an one time investment of rupees 15,000 for this program. You can contact us on this number to get more details, and if you have any query, you can also visit our Facebook page, that is Financial Fitness 20, for more details. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Goodbye.